today we're going to look at the top features of the Nike Apple Watch Series 4. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. If you're contemplating picking up the Nike Apple Watch Series 4, here are the top features to know about, starting off with the exclusive ones, then going into some new improvements with the Series 4 in general. Number 1 on our list are exclusive bands. That's right, if you pick up one of the Nike versions of the Apple Watch, in likelihood it comes with an exclusive band offering that you cannot buy separately. There are 3 Nike bands that you can pick up by themselves. This black one with black accent, a white one with black accent, and a black one with Volt accent. All of these bands are really nice. They're extremely flexible. They have tiny little Nike accents like on the underside. It actually says Apple Watch and then the Nike Plus logo. But when it comes to exclusive bands, there are 2 new options, and these are the reflective sports loops. These are Nike sports loops. They're exclusive to the new Apple Watch Nike editions, and they just reflect more light at night. They're pretty amazing. There's also exclusive watch faces. There are 2 distinct faces and a number of variations on them. Here you can see the first watch face. Tapping Customize allows you to go in there and change up everything like the font, the number of digits around the outside, or do you just want the dots around the outside? The second screen over allows you to customize the colors, and the last one allows you to choose the complications. However, it should be noted if you use this new really cool full screen one, you cannot use any complications, which is a bit of a bummer. As far as colors go, there are a ton of different options, and a lot of them are color matched with the bands themselves. So if you pick up the black and Volt band, there's a black and Volt screen face to go with it. Of the 2 watch faces, there's one that's digital and one that's analog. What you're looking at here is the analog watch face. The other option is the digital, and it kind of plays to both preferences, someone who wants a real watch face with actual numbers or dots around the edges, and the other one who just wants to see the time and some complications to go with it. On the larger watch face, you get 3 complications, one on the top left, top right, and the bottom. And on the digital, you kind of only get 2 because of that Nike logo there on the top. Speaking of which, that's the Nike Complication. This Nike Plus Complication lives on both the digital and analog watch faces that are exclusive to the Nike Plus Series 4 Apple Watch. That complication cannot be removed. It has to be there on either the digital or analog Apple Watch Nike faces. All it really does is launch the Nike Plus Run Club app, and anyone can download that app, but it does work a little bit better just because it can add that extra complication, especially on the analog face. Just kind of tucks it in there, tap on that, and jump right into the application. There's new ceramic back on all the Apple Watch Series 4, and this is kind of amazing. They've gotten rid of what used to be the actual aluminum or the stainless going around the back and replaced it with ceramic. Not only does it look pretty cool, it has functional value as well. It should allow signals to pass through better, so whether you're rocking the cellular or just the Wi-Fi version of the Apple Watch, you should expect better performance wirelessly. In the center of that ceramic back is a new sapphire sensor cover. That sensor cover used to be made out of a composite on the aluminum Apple Watches of the past, which included the past Nike versions. It was not nearly as strong as sapphire, so that's a huge upgrade for anyone who didn't have the stainless steel version or above of the Apple Watch Series 3 and earlier. This should come as no surprise it's on our list. It is the new display. It is larger in both the smaller and larger sizes of the Apple Watch, going almost edge to edge. There's been a lot of debate on how useful this is, and personally I find it a huge change over the last generation. It makes a big difference when you're looking at your Apple Watch, and anytime you look at a smaller one, it seems utterly cramped. This can be a big deal for runners. Whenever I'm out there running, I want to look at my watch and see how I'm doing. With watchOS 5, I'm getting all new features such as pace alerts. Now it's a lot easier to see those numbers. I can look at them quicker, glance at them, and then get back to my run. Lastly, what makes the Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 4 amazing is all the other Series 4 upgrades. These apply to every other Series 4 Apple Watch, but we didn't want to spend all that time on this Nike specific video. It includes things like the upgraded digital crown with haptic feedback, the new slimmer side button, the really fancy internal processor, better, louder speakers, the moved mic ports, the slightly slimmer body, Bluetooth 5, and of course, all of the new heart rate features. If you want to learn everything else about the Series 4 and what makes it the best Apple Watch ever, be sure to check out our other video on that we've linked in a card in this video. So what do you guys think of the Nike Plus Apple Watch Series 4? We love it, but we want to hear your thoughts, so make sure to share them down below in the comments and find the link for this in the description.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.